I thought I'd take you along and show you how we're doing our spring garden this year. We really like the grow lights as we can start the plants indoors and then move them out as the weather improves. We built just a really simple PVC stand to hold the grow lights. We started off with 4 30-watt grow lights and they work great, but we actually found that a couple of 5500 lumen shop lights from Walmart work just fine and are much cheaper. We've got some onions ready to plant, and we've got some lettuce and beets ready to go. And over here we're planting some tomatoes that haven't come up yet. We run a timer so the lights stay on from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Nice things about growing indoors is you can watch the plants come up. Here's a little time lapse, just kind of appreciate the plants growing a little more than when they're out in the garden. So the weather was right. We got out to the garden and got the plants in the ground. Here we've got the beets that we saw earlier. This is the lettuce. Here's those onions, which are looking real good. This year we're doing a second garden you can see off in the distance, and some of the onions are planted over there. Hey, hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.